Lean Body Crumble bars are here with these simple ingredients.
In a mixing bowl, add in a large whole egg, half a cup of rolled oats, a scoop of our Lean Body protein shake drink mix, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, tablespoon of sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Lightly mix those together, then add in 2 ounces of a Lean Body ready-to-drink protein shake. I went banana. Continue mixing until it looks like this. Add that mix onto a coated baking pan or dish and top it with some fresh blueberries. In another mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of rolled oats, a scoop of our Lean Body protein shake drink mix, tablespoon of sugar-free syrup, and 2 tablespoons of a nut butter. Give everything a mix while adding some Lean Body ready-to-drink protein shake as needed. You want it thick and crumbly, so don't add too much. Break up that mix over the top, put your bars into the oven on 350 for around 25 minutes. Don't forget to follow us for more Lean Body recipes.